Okay, we are doing 2B, scene 2, shot B, mark. And I hope I'm in frame. And guess what I'm going to hold up next? Anyone guess it? My Instapot lid! Oh, this is so fun. Teaching material. Great. I hope I'm in the shot. This is, the other one should have been a change in scene since I moved, but that's all right. This is scene 2, shot A, mark. And I have a Nerf gun, and I'm going to shoot it. Oh, man. I was going to shoot it. Yes! It did work. All right. Let's keep going. Okay, I got the mic. I'm over in a new location, another dirty part of my apartment. This is scene 1, shot D, mark. I have the mic. I'm talking into the mic. And now I'm holding a brass eagle. Brass eagle. Brass eagle in my dirty apartment. Check. All right, this is scene 1, shot C, mark. And it should show the time code for when it slapped, when I slated. Checking the mic levels in my apartment. I'm holding an avocado. It's pretty awesome. All right, check. All right, this is scene 1, shot B, mark. Checking the mic, my levels are pretty good. I'm looking at my hammock, looking at my guitar that is very confused in my dirty apartment. Forgot to record. This is scene 1, shot A, mark. And I'm doing some audio in my dirty apartment. Check, check, take What?